Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. We just checked into Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village, into a one-bedroom Savannah view. And in fact, that's what's right out here beside me. Are you planning a trip here in the near future? If so, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to take you on a tour of this one-bedroom villa and show you the Savannah as well. Coming right up. All right, we first come into the one-bedroom villa here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. Right here on the left-hand side, we do have what is going to be one of two bathrooms. This one just has a single vanity, plenty of towels and washcloths down there. You also have your toilet, and over here, small bathtub with a shower. So definitely great to have this extra bathroom. Really cool tile work on the wall, and then still have the H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So really cool to have this little bathroom here. And right across from that, inside the villa door, you do have the in-room laundry. So stacked washer and dryer here. Definitely does look to be a little bit older than what we're used to seeing in a lot of timeshare villas. And then up here, you do have a laundry basket, some place to hang some clothes, and a little additional storage might be good maybe to stow away some empty luggage once we get unpacked. We do have the kitchen, but we'll take a little bit better look at that here in a moment. Have a dining room table. Does seat 4 people. Really cool designs here on this dining room table. You have over there, it looks like a door. This is probably part of a 2-bedroom lock-off, so that goes over to the other side. Then here you have the kitchen, just a small kitchen area here. Not too big. You have the sink, you have your coffee maker, some kind of coffee supplies there. Full stove, oven, range, microwave, and a refrigerator with a freezer. But again, Disney, no ice makers. And then down here, obviously, the refrigerator. Now, let's just take a look over here. Didn't really show you the sink in too much detail. You also have a dishwasher. Take a look underneath here. Looks like just some kind of drying rack down there, your trash, some extra supplies. Then in here we have our full set of utensils, some dish towels. Then under here it looks like maybe some baking supplies, bowls, colander, cutting board, pitcher, that kind of stuff. And I'm sure we have more over here. Yep, we have a whole bunch of cooking utensils. So tongs, you know, your flipper, your spoon, your ladle, your knife. Then under here, this is an odd place for dinnerware. So we have dinnerware there, and we have some pots and pans. And then let's take a look up here. Well, this is where you'll find glassware and coffee mugs. And then what do we got up in here? Ugh, it's empty. So that is the kitchen area. Now moving over here into the living room, we have a sofa here. It does look like it probably does pull out, I'm sure, into, yep, queen size sofa bed. Really cool coffee table there. A couple of side tables. Have your lamps here. Got all those turned on. Did have a little bit of a hard time figuring out how to turn them on. Because I was looking on the lamp for the switch. Well, it's not on the lamp. It's on this little thing on the cord. So keep that in mind if you're here trying to figure out how to turn things on. Well, look on the cord. And then over here, we have a really, really big chair. That's really kind of cool. And then we have a huge flat screen television up atop what I guess you could call a TV stand, even though the TV is attached to the wall. It does have some exposed USB and power outlets. But this could be storage for somebody who's maybe having to sleep in the living room. So yeah, that is kind of the main living area. The patio, the balcony is out there. We'll take a look at that when we're at the very end of the video. So now we're gonna go in here and take a look at the master bedroom. So beautiful king size bed. Then you have a couple of nightstands, more exposed USB and power. And this is kind of why I don't like the switch on the cord for the lamp instead of on the lamp itself, because essentially here it's like way down the side away from the bed. Hopefully, maybe if they do a refurb at some time, they'll rethink that a little bit. Another pretty good sized television, top dresser there. It's kind of all one ensemble unit. Then over here, we have a desk, really like having a desk in a timeshare villa. Big plus for Animal Kingdom Kidani. Again, lots of places to plug in, especially when you're working at a desk, and I will be using that this week. Should also point out in here in the bedroom, they do have a ceiling fan. Definitely like seeing that. Little seating area over here, so definitely nice, and there's that patio, but we're gonna check out kind of the master bathroom here first. In here, you do have, well, there's some towels on the wall. Looks like a little closet in here. Yeah, little closet. And it sounds like the fan kicks on when I walk in. It's like it knows I'm here and it needs to turn on. Not really sure what is sensing that, if they have maybe a sensor on it or not. But here's your iron and ironing board, extra pillows, extra blankets, lots of hangers, in-room safe, well, way down there at the bottom. So it is looks like you can do a keyed entry or maybe even swipe some type of card. And then over here we have a nice big jetted tub. So not too sure how much those get used, but nice to have a nice big jetted tub. And then in here it looks like a great big, beautiful walk-in shower. Again, your pump, soap, shampoo, and conditioner. Shower head. There is actually a little shower bench over there as well. And again, really nice tile work that actually kind of goes all the way along that wall there. We also have the vanity, just a single vanity here. Would have been nice if maybe they made that a double. But hey, what can I argue? 2 bathrooms, you can't go wrong with that. And then pretty good sized mirror there as well. And some more H2O plus kind of products. And then the toilet is over here in a separate water closet. And if you're looking for the full length mirror, well, there it is there. So now we've seen the entire inside of the unit. Let's head outside. We've got to check out this patio because it's a fantastic Savannah view. So coming out here, we'll look at the interesting stuff first. And that just happens to be the Savannah view. Can you believe it? We're here on an Interval International exchange. Yes, we traded a week through Interval International to come here to Disney's Animal Kingdom. And I actually did a previous video on that, kind of how much it costs, how we went about it, not for this day, but for a previous one. I'll put a link up there in the upper right if you're an Interval International member. Hey, you can take advantage of that. But look at this. We have out here some, well, one zebra. Looks like there might be some wildebeest way over there. There's more zebras over there. We did have a giraffe at one point that I could see from somewhere. But it looks like he is now gone, or he or she. But you can see the great views out here to the Savannah at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Definitely much different than what we're used to on most of our timeshare stays. So now we've looked at the fun stuff out there. Well, here you do have a pretty good sized little balcony here, kind of narrow but pretty long. It does have 4 chairs and a small table. There's a chair behind me that you can't see in this shot, but definitely pretty good sized little patio. So I really do hope you like this video, and I hope you have a chance to come here to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. If you want to see another DVC video, I'll put a link to one right up here. Maybe it will be a room tour of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, a studio over in Jumbo House. So check that out next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.